Hello everyone, in this video you will see how to make a very interesting, beautiful and soothing thing. This is a table fountain. First of all, I will make a light for this fountain. You will need another plastic bottle. I want to make the lighting two-color. It will be green and white. These sections of LED strip I will now fix here in the case and solder the wires to them. Now you need to refine the bottle itself. I'm going to make a few holes here or there that will let the water run down. As a pump, I will use this small homemade centrifugal pump. Here in this video, I told you in detail and showed you how to make it and what it is capable of. The link to it will be in the description, so you can view it if you want. On the outlet pipe of this pump, I will now glue another tube, so that in the end you get this angle. The main parts of the fountain are ready and it remains only to connect them into one hole. But this I will already do in a container that will contain water. This will be a water tank, and now I will fix the main parts of the fountain here. This is about how it will look. Well, the entire functional part of this fountain is ready and it remains only to decorate it. The result is such an interesting design. It's time to start the fountain. As you can see, the table fountain works just fine. And outwardly, it also looks very nice. If you like this video and this fountain, then put a like and show it to your friends. It will be great if you subscribe to the Invexlab channel. I thank you for viewing and bye. Well, the table fountain really works very well, and it also looks like. Yes, looks like. The functional part of this fountain is ready and only. The functional part of this fountain is ready and it remains only to make. So, the camera is here. So, table fountain works just fine. And it looks very nick. Very nick. Very nick. It's time to start the fountain. Out the window.